Dear students, today we are going to see the what is the network criteria, what are the factors affect on the network criteria. The factors affecting on the network criteria, number one is performance, number two is reliability, number three is security, number four is consistency, number 5 is recovery. In the performance, we are going to, the performance can be measured in many ways, including transit time and response time. What is the transit time? Transit time is the amount of time required for a message to travel from one device to another is called as a transit time. This transit time is nothing but the amount of time required for a message travel from one device to the another device. Next one is response time. It is a time elapsed between an inquiry and response is called as a response time. The performance of network depends on number of users, the type of transmission media, the capabilities of connected hardware, the efficiency of the software. These are the performance will be mainly depends on if the number of users will be more, the performance may be less. The type of transmission media is also, if it is not a good, then also will be the performance will be decreases. The capabilities of connected hardware, if the connection between the hardware devices is poor, then the performance will be decreases. The efficiency of the software will be mainly, if the efficiency of the software is very poor, then the performance will be decreased. Like that only we are going to see the performance of the network depends on these factors. The next thing I already told that performance is over. The next factor will be reliability. In addition to accuracy of delivery, network reliability is measured by the frequency of failure, the time it takes a link to recover from failure, and the network's robustness in a disaster. The reliability is nothing but if the more number of failures are going to be takes place, automatically we can say that a particular network is very poor. If the failures rate will be decreases, automatically we can say that the reliability, that the system having the more reliability. The next thing is security. It includes protection data from unauthorized user or access. A network security issues include protecting data from unauthorized access, protecting data from damage and development, and implementing policies and procedures for recovery from breaches and data losses. The next thing is consistency. Consistency is the predictability of a response time and accuracy of data. Users prefer to have consistent response times. They develop a feel for a normal operating conditions. For example, if you consider the normal response time is 3 seconds for a printing a network printer, and the response time of over 30 seconds happens, we know that there is a problem in the system. This is a best example for a consistency. Whenever you are going to perform an operation, the consistency is a very important factor, and this example is going to show how much consistency will be takes place. The accuracy of the data determines if the network is reliable. If a system lost data, then the users will not have a confidence in the information and will often not use the system. Next factor is recovery. Recovery is the network ability to return to a prescribed level of operation after network failure. This level is where the amount of lost data is non-existent or at a minimum. Recovery is based on having backup of files. This is called as a recovery. These are the main affecting factors for the your network criteria. This network criteria will be mainly depends on all these factors, which will be show the performance and security, and security like that only we are going to see the recovery. All these things are the very important.